Do you have a bleaching shower gel and you have been thinking of a way to make use of that bleaching shower gel without having any side effect like stretch mark, like white splashes from that bleaching shower gel? In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to use a bleaching shower gel without having all the side effects like stretch mark, cellulite, and the rest. So if you know you want to know about it, do not skip, watch this video to the end. Hello, hello, you're welcome to Wiki Skincare. In Wiki Skincare, we'll talk about cream product. I will also talk about remedies to stretch mark, remedies to green veins, remedies to cellulite, and remedies to white splashes. In case you are new to my channel, in case you are seeing me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell. To my whole subscribers, I want to say thank you so very much. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for how far my channel has gotten to. I appreciate the comment, I appreciate the like, I appreciate the share. Thank you so very much. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to dilute any bleaching shower gel you have instead of you throwing it away. You may be one you can then dilute bleaching shower gel. Yes, you can dilute a bleaching shower gel that the effect of it, the chemical used in producing that bleaching shower gel will not have say in your body, will not, your skin will not react to it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So do not skip to the next video. Watch this video to the end so that you may know and get information that you can dilute any bleaching shower gel and continue using it without having side effects. Thank you so very much. So for example, let me use this my bleaching shower gel. We all know that K brother shower gel, especially K brother lotion and the shower gel, they are bleaching shower gel. There are some elements of bleaching shower. You can see it written here, K brother bleaching in 10 days. You can see it that it is even written on it. If you look at it, that you can bleach your skin in 10 days there. So in case you have already gotten something like this, it may not be the K brother shower gel, it may be other shower gel. In case you are having something like K brother shower gel or any other shower gel there, and you notice it without you knowing that is a bleaching element, there is a bleaching substance inside like hydroquinone. In case you don't know any of those bleaching substance used in producing cream, there are three types of bleaching substance used in producing cream. One is hydroquinone. So it's not advisable using hydroquinone after treatment. Hydroquinone is meant for treatment of the skin. Maybe you are having dark spot on your skin, you are having hyperpigmentation on your skin. You can use hydroquinone, a cream that contains hydroquinone, to treat that hyperpigmentation, to treat that acne in your skin. So after using it like 3 months, it's not advisable using it again, because when you continue using it again, it's going to give you stretch mark and it's also going to give you white splashes and some other skin reaction. Then we have one which is called the steroids. Steroids is a very dangerous chemical. It's more dangerous than hydroquinone. So steroids is going to give you a red, let me just say a coke and fatter skin. You notice some people, some part of their bodies dark, some are fair, all those. I call it coke and fatter skin. So steroids is going to give you that. And also steroids also gives stretch mark. Steroid stretch mark is different from the hydroquinone stretch mark. In case you don't know about it, go down to my video. Okay, I will drop the link on the description box so that you know the different type of stretch mark that these chemical creams gives, like steroids and hydroquinone there. So steroids also give stretch mark. Steroid stretch mark is very totally different from hydroquinone stretch mark there. Then the last one, which is the most dangerous one, is mercury. Mercury is a very dangerous bleaching element. That one burns your skin. You can see some people with burnt face there. You'll be wondering whether the person fall on fire or get burned by fire, all those ones there. No, it's steroids. It's a mercury that did that, because mercury is a very dangerous cream. Mercury will burn your skin, will burn even your face. In case you are using a face cream that contains mercury, it's going to burn your face. So those are the three type of chemicals used in producing any bleaching creams out there. So in case why I'm breaking it down is for those that is coming across this my video for the first time and you know nothing about any skin, any skin reaction, you know nothing about chemicals used in producing cream. That is why I'm just doing it brief, just to emphasize briefly on there. So in case you have this one, let's go back to the main video. So in case you are having this one, you're having a K brother, like what I said, and it's also written there, it bleach in 10 days there. So you start seeing the lighting. It's a lighting cream. All those chemicals I talked about just briefly, they are lighting cream. They are this thing, they are products used in producing lighting cream. For those of you that want to fair like have the half cast skin and the rest, so just be expecting some of all this reaction, like stretch mark, like white patches, redness of the face, redness of the skin, cellulite, varicose vein. Just be expecting them, because those lighting chemicals used in producing creams will give you some of all this, even all of them is going to give you them, all those ones there. So in case you are using this care border or any lighting shower gel, I have no knowledge about it, that is a lighting shower gel, and you start seeing the effect excuse me, pardon me, and you start seeing the effect of it on your skin. Instead of you abandoning it, instead of you throwing it away, you're going to dilute the K brother or any shower gel that you are using, and continue using it. You stop seeing the effect of it. That means you have minimized the chemical used in producing it there. So how are you going to do it? Let me show you. You get a can. This is my already diluted one. So you get a can like this, or any plastic like this, all those ones. Then you press a little quantity of the bleaching shower gel on it. When you press a little quantity of the bleaching shower gel on it, then you add water. Water is used to dilute any chemical. So you add water to it. When you add water to it, then you continue using it from this container, not this one again. Because if you continue using it from this one, the skin reaction will continue increasing no matter how you treat it there. So that is how it is. So you start using from here, just for you to add a little quantity, like the one you want to use for like 3 days, 5 days, or maybe a week, all those ones. So you add it here, then you add water to it. You can see that I've already diluted my, this one is not thick. You can see how light and transparent it is than this one that the company produced there. So this is where I used to, this is the one I'm using, so you can see it. So you continue using this one. When this one finish, you continue again, you add it to it till when this the bleaching shower gel, the main bleaching shower gel gets finished there. So that is it. That is the secret of how you can dilute your shower gel without you throwing it away. So in case you are following me and you have not still subscribed, maybe you are thinking of, should I subscribe, should I not subscribe? It does not take anything from you. Just click on the notification bell there and click on that button there to subscribe. Thank you so very much. See you in my next video. Bye.